I've left the fridge running overnight. It has cooled down a fair bit in the shop. Still warm, about 24 degrees in the shop. But yesterday it did get to about 38 degrees in the shop. The fridge did struggle a bit to get to the desired temperatures. It did keep the icy poles frozen. Drinks cooled, but not fridge cold. The fridge side was getting to about 10 degrees. Right now the fridge side is 1 degree and the freezer side is -17. So it is working very well now. And look, if I had to put the drinks in cold yesterday, it would have made a big difference. But it was good to see it work under those tough temperatures. It does say on the box that it'll cool to over 50 degrees below ambient temperature. It was probably doing around about 45 degrees below ambient temperature from what I can tell. Still good enough to keep the ice poles frozen, keep the staff happy with some cold drinks. But overall, I actually do like how this Combi works. I've never used a Combi before. I've only got a straight fridge/freezer with the MT-60. It was good to see how this one works. And like I said, it does draw about the same amount of power as the MT-V60, even though it's a bigger capacity fridge. So overall, the Engel MT-V Combi 80 litre does do a great job. And it was actually good to see how cold the fridge side gets when running at -18, which it is at the moment. The fridge side is at 1 degree, according to the companion thermometer. And the drinks are definitely cold. If you're after a Combi fridge, come to Tentworld at one of our locations or online and check them out.